Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make my chicken and potato stew recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. For this we're going to need potatoes and onion, chicken, French beans, cumin, coriander, garam masala, tiny bit of ground cloves, turmeric and a stock cube, some chilli, ginger, garlic and some tamarind paste. As with any meal, we're going to start up by chopping the onion. Nearly sliced my finger off then. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop my green chilli, and you could slice this and just put it in your stew, but I'm lazy and I'm just going to chuck it in here. I've got 100 ml of cold water in here. And now I'm just going to chop up garlic a bit and put that in there. This might seem a funny thing to do. I read somewhere that it does something to the garlic that makes it not so strong. This is just ginger. And again, I'm going to just chop this up. I'm going to add that to this water. Now for the noisy bit, I'm going to use a stick blender. I'm just going to mush it up. And now all we have to do is start cooking it all in the frying pan. First thing I'm going to do is add the onion. Make sure your oil is hot, because when you fry onions, if the oil isn't hot, all that will happen is the onion will soak up the fat. This way it gives a nice brown colour. I'm just going to cook those until they're soft, and just taking on a little bit of colour around the edges. Now I'm going to just add the chicken and get those browned. About 4 chicken breasts here. Now I'm going to add the spices, and this is cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala and a tiny pinch of ground cloves. I'll stir that round to coat the chicken and the onions. And now I'm just going to add the ginger and garlic and chilli mixture. I'm going to cook this until the liquid has disappeared. You can see that it's just making a nice thick sort of paste in the bottom, and it has taken the juices off the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit. The stock cube, oops, didn't break, and a little bit of water. I'm just going to leave it like that for a little bit while I just chop my potatoes. I'm just going to chop the potatoes. I'm not going to peel them because there's no point. It It all adds to the flavour, and if you can get away without peeling them, it makes it far less time consuming, and who really wants to spend their time peeling potatoes? You want them into sort of that size chunk, and I've got 6 potatoes here. Just going to pile those into the colander a minute. Oh, one's escaped. That one's not very good. I think that's the weather this year, so there's only going to be 5 potatoes in this one. There we go, chopped potatoes. Now I'm just going to add my chopped potatoes and stir these round. So they're all mixed in with the chicken. It smells really, really nice. And it's one of those meals that's really lovely on a cold winter day. There's nothing more comforting than slow cooked potatoes in a stew. I'm just going to add a little bit more water because it needs to just cover, and this is just cold water, and you just add enough to cover everything in the dish. I'm now going to add some salt. I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons. I can taste it again later. And some pepper. Because you can't have a curry without more pepper. There we go. You know what I'm like for my pepper. I do like pepper in my food. I'm just going to bring that up to a simmer. And then once it's come up to a simmer, I'm just going to let it cook for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are softened. This has been cooking for about 20 minutes to half an hour, and the potatoes are now soaking up some of the juices from the curry. I'm now just going to add some green French beans. These are frozen. I find it's easier to have frozen beans in the freezer because otherwise I buy them and they end up in the back of the fridge, and then you end up with some hairy little green things at the back of the fridge, so I just buy the frozen ones, and you make sure there's no wastage. Now this is tamarind paste, and it adds just a slight sour note to the curry. If you can't get it, you can use lemon juice if you want to, or you can leave it out. I'm going to let that cook for another 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. The beans are now cooked, the potatoes are cooked. I'm just going to add some coriander. This was fresh coriander that I've just chopped up and frozen, and I keep it in the freezer. Stir that in. My chicken and potato stew, all done and ready to serve. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I normally serve it with just plain rice and a naan bread. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. There's a lot of boring bits, isn't there, in cooking? Waiting for onions to brown. Oh wow.